Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to print photos from your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First of all, I am going to my file manager. Open my file manager. Then I am selecting some photos where I can find download option. Press download option. Look at this. Here I have 3 photos in a row. I am selecting at a time this 3 photo. Press 3 dot, then press 3 select icon, then select these 3 images. Then press share icon. Then drag this. Here you can see one option is available, that is print. Press print. For my device is not connected with any printer, that's why no printer selected showing that. Copies, how many copies you wanna print here? I'm selecting 2 copies, paper size. Right now by default here given paper size is 4 into 6 inches. I'm selecting it such as example here, photo large. Then photo large. Then I am seeing this image printing preview. After these things, just press this print icon. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel.